Where is the best point to buy one stock? Once buy, the price will fly. It turns out that the bankers will buy heavily in this position. Today, we are going to learn this method, which is simple but profitable. Hi everyone, I'm Lisa. Welcome to my second lesson. Happy Investor is a new channel. My purpose is to share with you some practical stock trading skills based on technical analysis. So please subscribe my channel if you are the first time watching my video, so we can learn and discuss together about the technical trading skills in the market. Today we are going to talk about the topic, where to buy a stock can make it rise as soon as you buy it. Okay, let's begin. Today we are going to learn how to follow with bankers to buy at the correction ending point. In the stock market, we all know that the core of the market is the bankers. The bankers directly determines the trend of each stock in the future. About the bankers, we should find that where is entry point of the bankers is the key point. So let's throw out a theory first, which is it's not difficult to make money once a share or bankers come in to take over or control the price. But how to understand it? Then I will use some examples to show you. Let's see the ordinary chart first. This is a normal trend. I have marked 3 points of A, B, C on the chart. The characteristic of these 3 points is that point C will be higher than point A, indicating that this pattern is easier to make profits because this pattern is the so-called uptrend pattern due to the higher highs and higher lows. So it often represents the appearance of the bankers. The bankers is a great boost to the rise of the price. So how to find the best entry opportunity? If we miss the previous 2 uptrend waves, don't worry, we can see the next position is a very good entry opportunity for us. The premise of this entry opportunity is the core of the market, which is the bankers. After the bankers pulls up, there is often a pullback action. This pullback action, we can draw a parallel line based on point A, which is the first defensive level during this pullback period, also known as the important support level. This support level, when the price falls and touches it, then the price will rebound immediately. Then it will form a kind of emotion. This emotion is that the stock price will rise continuously. There are many stocks satisfied this condition under current market situation. Therefore, when the price pulls back, this position is an important buy point. And the buy point of this position is an important defensive position formed by the bankers combined with the previous high point. This is the banker's defensive price. So once the price drops back and touches this support level, it's a very accurate entry point. Okay, let's check a share for example. The characteristic of this stock is that it has risen for 2 waves already. So how to catch the third wave? A and C are 2 high points. B is a low point. After the price rising continuously for a period, it will fall back from the high level. Through the method we just taught above, there is a very important support level for the price when price pull back. That is the position of point A. But remember, here we need to use the closing price of candle A because it's banker's important defensive position. Then draw a parallel line. When the price falls, it will get support here. This is a very classical pullback buy point. Once buy in, price sharply rise 72% within 5 trading days. And if you hold longer until now, it's almost a 200%. So this is the first type buying method of the so-called bankers pullback buying strategy. Well, in addition to this pattern, in fact, there is another pattern in the market. Because some people may see that after the price falls to this position, it does not rebound but falls again and even break down this support level. So can we still buy it, or is there a second type entry point for us? Well, let's analyze it through the chart. In this figure, we can see that this is also the pattern we mentioned just now. The 3 points ABC have formed already, and the position of the 3 points determines the trend. 3 points determine a trend. After the trend has formed already, when the price pull back, it didn't rebound at this position, but continues to fall. How can we find the next entry point? We still need to think through the thinking of the bankers. The bankers often surprises the price in order to achieve the purpose of whipsaw. But the suppression is not unlimited. There is the key point, also known as the important support level. The way to find this support level is different from the first type. It was the parallel line of line AC, which means we need to connect point A and C first, then draw a parallel line from point B, then form the uptrend channel. This channel indicates that the price will move inside it. Therefore, when the price falls, the lower channel is not only an perfect defensive position, but also an important support position. Once price drops to the lower channel, it will get support and rise back. So the next entry point is over here, when price touches the lower channel and gets support. This kind of a buy point is also called a very accurate secondary pullback buy point of bankers. It usually appears in some strong stocks. Let me show you a case. Let's take a look at this counter. The 3 points of ABC and the early stage of its formation. The stock already rose from 1.35 to almost 2 ringgit during the previous period. We can understand this kind of a stock is the so-called. The strong is always strong type. It rose, then fell, and rose again. You'll find that point C is higher than point A. Obviously, you'll find it's an uptrend channel if we connect point A and point C. So, how to find the second pullback point to buy? If you use the first strategy, you'll find that the price soon breaks down the support line based on point A. So we must use the second strategy, which means we need to find the parallel line of line AC. After drawing it, it's clear to see that here is the accurate buy point. After buy-in, the price rises rapidly. Within 11 trading days, it up 42%. So this is the so-called second type of bankers pullback entry strategy. Okay, let's summarize the 2 strategies we learned today. Actually, there are 2 kinds of buy points. Both buy points have important support position. So it's not difficult to make money once a share or bankers come in to control the price or take over. This is the main content of our lesson today. We mainly talked about 2 kinds of the buy points when price pullback. Hope can help you. In order to let more investors watch this video, you can subscribe my channel and share it to your friends. And if you have any questions about the methods we learned today, you also can leave me a message in the comment zone. See you next time. Bye bye.